What is this impurity that they talk about? What are these toxins, the so-called, that are released during menstruation? To understand this, we need to understand Ayurveda's concept of ama. Ama refers to toxins that are created within your body. These are not chemical substances that you ingest as pollutants or synthetic material, not just that. One of the texts, the Ashtanga Hridayam text of Vagbhatam, talks about how ama is created in the body. So he specifies three methods. One is when you have food that is incompatible. For example, you had a very sour orange, and you immediately after that or with that, you had milk. So, milk and sour food don't go hand in hand, they're incompatible. So, when you have incompatible food, it creates ama. The second is when you eat in excess. And this is something we all know. We overeat. And when you overeat, your digestive system is not able to work to its capacity. A lot of the food gets undigested. The undigested food sits in the intestines and rots. And this process of rotting is what produces ama. And the third method is having food that causes indigestion. You know, I once spoke to this adolescent girl whose boyfriend listened to one of my talks and told me, "Ma'am, please speak to her. She gets a lot of stomach cramps." And I called her up and I asked her, "What do you eat?" And she stayed in a hostel and she was a college going student. And her diet at night, her dinner basically every night was at 10 or 10:30 p.m. potato chips and Coke. Potato chips and Coke every night for dinner. And she's like, "Why am I having menstrual cramps?" Right? So, if our diet is consisting mainly of food that we are not able to digest, and we all know what is unhealthy, I don't need to list it out, then it will create ama. It will create toxins that your body will be struggling to flush out.